We had a big release over the weekend for SignalDeck. We had previously been pulling up charts through TradingView like this, and it works, and it's fine, but it gets a little cumbersome. So I finally started doing a phase one of going through and putting charts into the positions. So this is a phase one. There's still some bugs in it, and I'm really just kind of testing it out today in this week to see what phase two looks like. But this is definitely a big release. Looking forward to seeing what this looks like. So let's go through our positions and see how they look like with this chart. NTB looks like it was a low volume pullback, which considering Friday was pretty brutal, that's not too bad. Let's see here. Okay, that's a better representation of it. So okay, so looking at that now, I can actually see it was a little rough. It was a high volume pullback. Pre-market seems to be sitting right below it. Let's make sure this is the right 57.50, 57.75. We're kind of playing around with pre-market values on this chart, which I'm probably the only person that does that. What are we looking at? Oh, gotcha. Okay. Let's go back. Okay. All right, that's a better chart. Okay. Okay. So we got in on that fill, pushed up, pushed back down. That's definitely a hold for now. Okay, XLV. It's like, definitely had some selling pressure. Stop loss remains on that guy. This is definitely a pure consolidation on AFB. Just want to make sure that my chart matches. Yeah, we got this new feature. I'm going to be testing it out. And position is up 117. It's absolutely nuts. So that's what we're looking at this morning. In terms of signals, I really haven't looked at anything. So let's see what's on our watch list. We got stopped out on AEHR, which looks like it's just forming a pullback. Unfortunate. Starbucks is hovering around the 200-day. So that could be a potential pullback play. Coin going low. That's out of the consolidation range on coin. Not looking too good on that. Corning had that big announcement yesterday with Amazon, but not a lot happening on the price on that. And then Walmart's trying to recover. The buy order on Walmart still exists. Same with Costco trying to recover. NVIDIA right at our stop. We got stopped out on that a few days ago. Google still floating around that support resistance area. That's really fascinating. Shout out to the dividend holders today. Yeah, FISI. That's looking not great. Okay. Let's see if there's any runs on this morning on Nucor. Do we get stopped out on Nucor? Price was within pennies of our stop. That is insane. Nucor within pennies on low volume stop hunt. Wow. Need to layer in the bar data so that I can see the high, low, open, close, low, high. So I'm going to add that to the feature roadmap. Wow, that's crazy. Stop loss remains. Okay. That's the leadership, so we don't go through that. Okay, that's not too bad. Let's go through the tickers on our watch list, see what's going on. What's up? It's Thursday. Global market stabilizing due to the US-Iran back-channel alleged discussions. Capital's rotating out of tech and crypto so they can put every little bit of money they have into the SpaceX IPO. And we're looking at ITA, XLU, XLY this morning. Let's go through our positions and see where we're at this morning. Okay. CRM is an uptrend bottom play. Got felled yesterday on that. Price was pushed down. Lower volume than the previous day. Stop remains. Okay. This is playing around with some Wyckoff scanning. Looks like we got filled previously. When did we get into this thing? June 9th. 2 days ago. Okay. With Macy's. Huh. Macy's is going into that February 23. So here's the deal with Macy's. We have this February of 2023 high. Price slammed up into it, and pre-market is right below it. So the deal on this trade is I would not get into this right now. Now, if I did not previously mark the historical highs on this, I would definitely watch this for a 15-minute play. But knowing the previous highs, previous resistance, we've went past March 2024. It's now trying February of 2023. We're going to watch this, see where it goes. It did show up in the leadership signals this morning, but I'm added to my watch list. Let's see what else we got. Applied Materials is up. Got a lot of good plays. I think I'm going to stay out this morning just to see what happens. Okay. Well, everybody will be watching the SpaceX stuff. Let's go through some of these positions.